welcome back to my channel. Today we have a challenge between Mama and me of spray paint. So for this I'm gonna take out my jacket. My clothes will be dirty.
You have a white t-shirt.
Oh no! I wore the... So I'm taking out this.
Alright, so guys, we have two spray paint bottles.
One is
of
silver,
and one is golden.
like lion.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something with the canvas again.
Yes, so first only I have made this base, nice base.
She already has a pink color base.
Yes, one day I was thinking to make a painting, but it failed. So I just kept it like this, and
Yeah,
it's bright and it's very beautiful.
So it's good for her because I'll have to wait for my base to dry. She doesn't have to wait for that. I'm gonna paint my base black, and then we're gonna do some art with spray paint on this. So we're using the acrylic paint to color this black. I'll just do it right away. We have just taped the sides, the border of the canvas.
Now what I'm gonna do is, till that my mother is making the base.
You go ahead.
So guys, what I'm just doing is, so guys, I am just taping it. I have taken the correct tape size. I have measured it and take it out. So I am gonna put it right over here. No, let's do that. This height will be enough. Yes, this height will be enough for it.
Black. Now I'm just giving a very small sponge effect to it. Then I'm gonna let it dry for some time. Then I'm gonna do my spray paint. As you all know, it's a challenge.
Ready.
So guys,
my mother helped me a bit for the checks which I have made.
Stripes.
Stripes. Checks are these, no?
Yes, these are stripes.
These are stripes. So we have the paints.
And guys, I'm ready with my base as well. It's still a bit wet, but that's okay. We're gonna start with it, and we'll let it dry at the end. Ready, Ahana?
Ready. My mother is taking the hot coffee
using
to
this.
me.
Yes, I'm using a stencil to do the spray painting. It's a challenge.
It's a challenge.
So go ahead,
My mother
Ahana.
is trying to make a sheet type canvas.
Huh?
A sheet type canvas.
Yeah. Let's start.
Yes.
Go ahead, Ahana.
I can take this one first.
Okay. I'll wait because I also need gold.
Okay.
Anna, be careful. Okay? Oh my. Babu, you need helping her with the spray as she wants. You want one?
One line.
Okay.
Like a check.
Okay.
That's all. Now I need the silver one. You can mix it a little bit up. The silver one. It looks so nice. I need to go here. Mix it up a little. Mix it. Dots on the golden one. Now the golden mix. Like this only you need to create the pattern, Mama, for me.
Okay, Anna. Guys, she wanted the stripes, but we have to let it dry now. Once it's dried out, we'll remove the tapes and then the final painting will come out.
Yes.
But it looks cute. It looks nice.
Till that, let's see my mother.
I'll also do mine till then.
Because I thought this one, because the pink color will
Stay
also
away, Hannah.
come. You will take the golden.
Yeah.
Take the half. It will look nice. Half, Mama. more paint, Mama. Till that, I'm trying to blow it out and do it. So this is what I have made so far. You will be thinking that it's all done, but no, it's not all done.
This is how it looks. I am not doing anything else.
I have a leaf and I have
Acrylic paint.
I had acrylic paint.
She has covered the leaf with the acrylic paint, and now she's gonna do
Some like this.
some more artifacts.
Artifacts. Like this.
Very good.
Gonna do it. And then next I'm gonna take. Then put it on here. Then do it like this. We're gonna remove it fast.
So she has done the final touch as well. Now we're just removing the tapes and showing you how our final. Anna, hold on. You have to be slow. You're pulling it too quick. Go a bit slow. You want me to help you first?
No. Pull it
Yeah,
slowly,
take it easy.
pull it
Yes.
slowly, pull it
Yes.
slowly. Guys, mine is this one. It's a bit
Ahana's
more
is looking really so beautiful. It has come out really nice, isn't it? And mine is this final look, guys. It's looking nice. It can be used in your house.
Every challenge I win from Mama.
Oh my god, she's so tired of winning challenges. Yeah, Ahana wins this one too. It's looking very beautiful, and the black ones are looking really nice. Very artistic, Ahana. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like the video, and I hope you like the idea of doing some spray painting challenge with your kids.
But do my one.
Yeah, I love hers actually. So you can try doing any that you wish. These are two different ideas that you can implement and try at home. Thank you so much for watching us. Yeah. Be careful, Ahana.
An ordinary peach as well.
Yes, you can do this. The leaf painting on your sheets, on something on your sheets as well.
Slimy.
Yeah, don't do that, love. Don't do that with the leaf. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for
Bye.
watching.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye.